Welcome back to Mochi Overland. We are Melanie and Norman, traveling across Africa in our old Mercedes van. We are currently driving through Morocco, heading straight south. With only 2 weeks left on our Moroccan visas, we have to cover long distances each day. A few days ago, we left Agadir and realized that we had underestimated the magnificence of southern Morocco.
So cool!
Despite our limited time, we still want to explore this area and have already come across some memorable places. Adding to the challenge, Mochi requires some special care after driving us for over 4 months.
Every day nice and beautiful, sometimes it has to be dirty. Seriously, Mochi needs some grease everywhere because with the sand, and we are driving full time with him.
You have to look after your mate. Things have to be done, but this shouldn't take too long.
In the parking of the post office, in the middle of a city. Totally 100% us. Red dust is the new color of Mochi. We are fully equipped for this task, thanks to Norman, not to me. I'm gonna go there. Super dusty, super dusty. Norman gonna go underneath the car.
So let's have a look here. I don't know if you can see something. Just press this one here on top, up like this, and then we just give it a couple, 2-3 times. And here, the second one that has to be done.
And we are done! Magic! It's already finished. It took us 1 hour. We have learned that there is a very good ice cream just across the street. So we are going to go. But first, Norman has to get ready. I'm waiting.
I'm naked.
Only half. And the funny thing is that straight after we have learned that there is very good ice cream here, we meet the owner of the ice cream shop. He's a German guy. And he said that maybe he will come back to talk to us because he already traveled, I think, up to Senegal?
Gambia.
Until Gambia. So maybe he has some tips for us. And Norman is ready!
And we have also planned to give Mochi a little wash today, but I don't know.
Yeah,
Given the time, maybe we do this another time.
Dirty style.
So it's dirty, but with dirty style written above, it's also more acceptable.
Follow our adventure, Mochi Overland. Let's get an ice cream. Let's get an ice cream. It's very hot.
That's the one.
Mmm,
Yum, 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 yum.
it's good.
So this is really like a little afternoon snack. Something cozy, because we were all day. All day. Felt like we were doing this all day.
We started with editing this morning and then we had to do this. We had our ice cream, our chat with the German friend.
Yeah, the owner was really nice. We had a big chat with him.
I think it's going to be too late for the beach tonight, but it's okay. Never goes as planned, never go as planned.
After exploring Mir left, the next day we finally reached the spot we'd been dreaming of.
We are at the beach Legzira and we are here for one specific reason. This year.
We have made it to Legzira Beach, one of Morocco's most incredible coastal spots. These massive red cliffs and arches were carved by the ocean itself, thousands of years of waves, wind and time slowly shaping the sandstone into these incredible formations.
It's not very the beach where you will go surfing today. There is a lot of waves very close to each other. Norman is doing his favorite activity. It's writing on the sand.
The rock here is made of red sandstone and pebbles that were once part of ancient riverbeds. Over millions of years, they hardened into cliffs, and the Atlantic started its endless work, carving caves that eventually turned into arches.
Looks cool, wow.
Massive, huh? When you look at the people, they are small like this.
Standing here, it's hard not to feel small. Nature's been sculpting this place long before us, and it'll keep changing long after we are gone.
Wow! And what next? I will go there.
So let's go there. Yeah, the walkthrough was very cool. It was a bit more cold than before and after.
And dark.
And no beds, no nothing, but cool, yeah.
And here is nobody. I mean, there's few people, but
people have already decided to go back. But we're gonna go a little bit further to see maybe another rock formation. Because we like more rock and roll. Here are much more stones, huh? At the beach.
a lot of stones. They don't clean it here. This is weird, no?
It's maybe a secret beach, but I wouldn't put my towel here because it's not the driest part as well. I really like to look from here with the rock and the arc underneath. It is so red, and then in front of it you have the water that is blue and green, and that looks just fantastic. Really like it from here. Beautiful colors.
When this one fell,
Oh.
wow.
Wow, look at all those big pieces. I hope nobody got injured.
Me too. Seems like we can't go further unless you go through the sea, but maybe it's not recommended. Wow.
Well, there's still another cave to discover. Ooh.
Shoes?
Yeah, I think we put our shoes back on. Wow, nice. It's bigger than I thought. Wow. So it's actually just stones and sand and clay and stones and clay and sand and all over, I don't know, hundreds and thousands of years stuck on top of each other and forming this big rock. I think this is the only secret behind this. This you have a lot of color, a lot of shading. Looks very cool. What else is planned for today? You wanna go for a swim?
We can go for swim, and we have to still drive a little bit because the goal of this week is still to go to Tarfaya. We have to eat something, we have to do laundry, we have to get some water.
Oh yeah.
We maybe need some fruits. And yeah, keep driving a little bit.
If you live in one of those buildings, you can really say you live directly at the beach. It's really like 50 meters towards the water, and then you can have just a good time. Or as I like to say, a little splash in the water. And we found some fresh bread,
Is it
also
warm?
one of our daily tasks. Yeah, it's still warm.
No, yeah.
And it's the oven baked one with the pebble stones in it. It's gonna be delicious.
With our salad,
Oh yeah, I still have some salad left.
it's warm now.
Yeah, it's warm, and with the humidity here at the sea, it hits differently as well. Compared to Marrakesh, where it was more hot, but it was dry. So here is much more, humid, you can feel.
Oh, this was a lot of water. We have decided to go to another place for lunch, and I think we are just arriving now. And it's really near the beach, on top of the cliff. It's gonna be a beautiful view. Preparing Mochi for what is coming in Mauritania. The car was also going there in the same time than us, and we were lucky to find the way, and it's going to be very beautiful from here. Hey, Doudou. Too late. I look strange with this hat. Don't like it so much. Mochi is parked here, and now we are going to have a look at this beautiful rock here. We have some neighbor from Czech. Hello.
Dobrý den.
Dobrý den. This place is so beautiful that we have decided to stay here tonight. Norman is taking a shower now, and after this I will take a shower. Then we will go down here and enjoy the beautiful view. It's too beautiful here to go somewhere else, and tomorrow we will find another place, but for now it's a perfect spot for the night. And how it is, Norman?
Oh, it feels so good. It's fresh, but on the other side, because the full sun is on the tent, it's also so hot inside. So you have cold water, but the surrounding is just hot. It feels amazing. Oh, I think we could even drive down here. I'm feeling so German now. Look at me. The sticks, my outfit.
So it's time for us to go. We just had breakfast and a nice time here. We want maybe to drive 2 to 3 hours today, and we also have to clean the car and get some extra stuff, so let's go!
After leaving Legzira, we soon left the perfect tarmac road behind us and stopped in Sidi Ifni. It was time to wash Mochi. The combination of desert sand and morning dew had made it really dirty.
We haven't cleaned the top, so the solar are super powerful after this.
In Morocco, you don't wash your own car. It's a service that costs around 40 dirham.
Mochi is so clean now. Now we find the water just there in the toilet. Perfect. He says it's a drinking water. So,
While we were there,
It's
we
coming.
also refilled our water
Toilet.
tanks from a tap in the toilet. We had dropped our clothes off at a laundrette before, and now it was time to pick them up. We normally hand wash our clothes, but we take the chance to use a laundromat whenever we can, especially for the bedding, as it's
Wow.
much more convenient.
7 minutes left. Costs €3, 30 dirham. And for the big washing we paid 6. 7. So 10 euros in total. Maybe it's pricey, but at least we have no work with this. And it's dry after.
give it to me after you.
Fresh bedding. There's something about fresh bedding. You appreciate it much more when you're traveling on the road. It feels so good. When you can go into fresh bed in the evening. Come on, baby, right,
We hit the road again, knowing that we had to make progress quickly to avoid driving in the dark, which we always try to avoid. The sun was scorching, and there was no doubt that we were getting closer to the Sahara Desert. The vegetation became increasingly sparse, and finding a shaded spot for lunch became rare, if not impossible at times. We found a big tree and shared its shade with some dogs who were happy about our arrival and the water we gave them. We often wonder how those dogs can survive in this tough environment.
Show us the sandwich. Together with the slime.
Oh, wow, look at this.
Should go inside.
With real Emmental cheese. The real from France. Emmental from France. Not from Switzerland.
So we're gonna enjoy this and then hit the road again.
Yep. See you soon on the road.
With every kilometer, the landscape became increasingly desert-like, the wind stronger, and the villages smaller and more distant from each other.
So how to tell if you are really in the nowhere here in Morocco? When there are more camels on the side of the road than people trying to sell you orange juice or espresso. Then you are in the nowhere of Morocco. But it's beautiful. I wonder if all the way to Mauritania is gonna look like this. It's a straight road. It's a perfect road. It's warm, and we have always the wind here from the seaside. If it's like this all the way, it's not even too bad. It's pretty relaxing, but not very exciting. I mean, the highlight was just right now, the camels. That was pretty cool.
We are in the desert zone now and we passed the anti-atlas. And now it's nothing. It's like really nothing. Like, look at this. Oh yeah.
Even the sun is
Important thing. is that Norman is bringing us to a special place on top of the hill now. Don't know why.
This is the rest area.
People are actually living there, just behind. You can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 houses from here.
The wind is coming from that side. Mochi is just protecting me from it. Now let's go in front of Mochi. Man, it's so windy! There's little sand particles in the air. They're going straight into the ice. Oh, now I can't open my eyes anymore. The Amasi or the Berber people, they have like this turban around their head. And then in case it's a sandstorm, they can also put that scarf over the face and covering the eyes, so they don't get all the sand in the eyes. And so you should have bought one of those before we go into the desert.
Ready?
Yeah, and already between the teeth.
Ah, shit.
So, it's better inside, Mochi. Oh, what a place! And there are people living. There's a house. There's the neighbor. And there's another one. Wow.
With the desert stretching on ahead, we continued our journey. Along the road we saw dozens of tents pitched on the sand. Apparently, this area is home to many nomadic families who still follow the land and the seasons. By late afternoon we arrived at the Red Dunes, our first real stop in the sand.
Oh, so soft. Look like a snake. Oh, wow. Our first real sand dune. Oh, that looks super cool.
We were almost alone except for 2 families beside us living simply in their tents. Stepping onto those dunes was magical. The colors, the silence, the wind shifting the sand under our shoes. An experience we will never forget.
Wow. Mochi is just over there. I don't know if you can even see. He looks so tiny. He has the same color of the sand. I feel the sand in him.
Next we'll be driving into the Western Sahara. It's one of the least populated areas in the world with landscapes that feel endless. That's where our next adventure begins. Thank you so much for watching. See you in a week. Bye bye.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.